G'day and welcome to Nature Walk. I'm your host, Greycloud. So here I am at Lesmurdie Falls in Lesmurdie. Now Lesmurdie is 24 kilometres east of Perth, which is about 30 minutes. I'll just turn you around so you can see Perth from here. Okay, so there we are folks, the Lesmurdie Falls. Okay, so I decided to get one of these Bluetooth earpieces to make this easier. It cuts out the outside noise so you can hear me better, and I hope it will work, as it will for you, as it will for me. Now, a lot of people are asking, what's with my nickname? Okay, well, Tex Greycloud. Tex is short for Texas, USA, because of my interest and love for it. Greycloud is because of my love, interest and deep respect for the Native American culture and a love for rainy weather. A little bit of history of me. Now, while we're watching that, I've also been asked on whether I'm interested in getting paid for these videos I do on YouTube. And I've thought about it, and frankly, no, I'm not going to do it, because this is a hobby for me. Once it becomes a job, I feel obliged to go out of my way to do these videos, and I won't enjoy it as much. I enjoy doing these videos. I enjoy being out in nature and appreciating all of this. So no, I'm not going to make a job out of it, because once I do, it's not me, and I will become bored with it. I'll just turn you around so you can appreciate the scenery. Up there, I'll be doing that shortly. Not much sun to work with today, seeing it's a lot of overcast. Let's go. Now there was also another reason why I chose this nickname, is because Major Les Hibbins is called the Bush Tucker Man, Steve Irwin is called the Crocodile Hunter, and Glenn Robbins is called Russell Coit. So that's another reason why I chose this nickname, to suit me. After all, it is my personality. The Lesmurdie Falls. It is good to get back to nature. Must be a very popular tourist destination for the amount of people that come here. Okay, I'll be going up there shortly, so just bear with me. Okay, so here I am at the falls, at the top, and as we look down, those are the falls. as before, Perth is just over there. Virtual camera with me today because it is dark conditions. I'm working from